Most videographers are so good behind the camera, but they suck at the business side of things. They suck at the marketing, the systems, the operation, the offer. And the crazy part is that's the part that actually makes you money. That's the part that actually lets you build a life that gives you freedom and peace, and you're not stressed out about how to pay rent and whatever. And so in this quick video, I'm going to break down the big shift you need to make that will make you a lot more money and help you finally grow your business the right way. And this is not theory. I've helped over 275 plus videographers at this point, and a lot of them have hit $50 to $100,000 a month, which sounds crazy to you when you're struggling to make rent, or you're going from gig to gig, running around like a chicken with its head cut off. But it's actually possible when you learn the business fundamentals. And so we're going to share some of these lessons with you in this video. First things first, you need to understand that you are not selling a product, you are selling an outcome. The richest videographers are selling an outcome. And let me break down why this is one of the biggest flaws most videographers have. They are so focused on the product, the creative, the edit, that they are up at midnight editing the footage because no one else is good as them. They are doing every shoot because no one else is as good as them. They are spending all their time looking at new gear because they think that that's the thing that's going to help them close more deals, right? When in all reality, these business owners do not care what gear you have. You can show up with a freaking iPhone. As long as you help them generate leads, no one cares, right? And so I'm going to challenge you on that, because what you're taught is, oh, the better the footage, the more money we make. And it's simply not true. You think that the better you get behind the camera, that the more money you make. And that's simply not true as well. And you're waiting for this big breakthrough moment of like, something's gonna click, something's gonna take off. And it doesn't happen until you realize that you need to stop selling a product, but start selling a outcome. And so what is the outcome that businesses want? It is not fancy edits. It's not a ton of high quality content. It is not you coming out and filming everything every single week. What they actually want, like the real purpose of them hiring you and wanting to work with you, is to attract business, to generate leads, to build a local brand, to be an authority with that content. They're not paying you for some cool content. They're paying you for an outcome. And the sooner you start grasping that and start thinking, damn, how can I make the outcome better for these businesses so I can then make more, charge more, and keep clients for years instead of a couple months, that is when everything changes. And so I'm going to share with you what the outcome needs to be if you want to charge more, right? Here's the thing. These business owners, they see you as an expense. It's like, sometimes it's like pulling teeth. When you send an invoice and you're waiting for it to get paid, and it's like pulling teeth to get it paid. And have you ever sat back to wonder, like, damn, why is that? And it's because they question their expenses. The content that's sitting on their hard drive, or some of it got posted, and maybe some of it got a little bit of views, it's not bringing them direct revenue. You're not able to show them revenue. You're not able to show them results that you've actually gotten them. You might show them a few cool views, some fancy edits, and you might be like, hey, this video got X amount of views, but they aren't seeing dollars from it. So why should they keep you around? Business is a logical game. The outcome they want is more revenue, more clients, more money. And you are simply not able to provide that outcome by just selling content. So your product, aka content, is a red ocean opportunity. Everyone and their grandma's selling it. And so what you need to understand is these business owners, again, they need results. And the easiest way to get them results is to combine high quality content with a local ad strategy. And that is going to allow you to absolutely crush it. It's going to allow you to stand out in town because, one, you're not competing with everyone that just bought their first camera. Two, you're able to show them the results that they're actually able to get. And when people see the results that they're actually able to get, they want to stick around and keep paying you because it's a no-brainer. You're an asset to their company. You're not an expense anymore. You're not going to be worried, oh man, is this guy going to pay the invoice? No, that invoice is on auto pay. And you know it's going through because you know how much money they made working with you. And that is the big shift that you need to understand. You need to start selling an actual outcome to these business owners. And so the faster you make this pivot, the more money that you make. And the crazy part is you can work with less clients that pay way more and grow your business faster. This is not a quantity game. This is a quality game. It's better to get 5, 6 clients a month that are like higher end paying clients than it is a couple clients at $1,500 a month, just because you're pitching content and you're like, hey, you're gonna get 15 videos. Hey, I'm gonna come out and film. And they're like, cool, right? That's so weak. Like if you go look at your bank account right now, if you look at your Stripe invoices, you look at your however much you got Zelled this month, and it's not 15, 20, 30, $40,000 a month. It's like, it's not you. It's not your work ethic. It is you. It's you if you don't continue to make, if you don't make any changes. It's not your work ethic. You might work your ass off. You might work really, really, really hard for these clients. The fact is, the outcome is what you're missing. Organic content can't get them leads predictably. No matter how good you are. You might have had some videos pop off for your clients. That doesn't mean they make money. Organic algorithm gets views all over. No, these business owners want leads in a 25-mile radius. And the only way to do that is content plus a local ad system. And so, hopefully this video gets you thinking. You're like, dude, how do I do this? How do I actually help business owners with this? How do I charge more? How do I stand out here in town? Right? And that is the real question. And I made a video that is an absolute game changer, breaking down exactly how that works. And it's a little bit more in depth on the price points, the offer, what it all includes, how it works, all of that. So I'm going to link it in the description. Go check it out if you're serious about scaling your video business. But again, hopefully this plants a seed in you where you get a little fired up and you're like, dude, there's a better way to do this. I need to stop taking on all the cheap clients. And they're only cheap clients because you're not able to justify your value. You're not able to show them, hey, you're going to make X amount working together. When you're able to show people results, guess what? You're able to charge more, and you get to charge more with confidence. You're going to show up to that sales meeting with confidence, because let's be real, when someone asks you right now, what return am I going to get from this content? You're like, man, it's going to look good on your page. Your Instagram's going to look good. That's weak. That's weak, dude. They need results. And so, go watch that video. Have an amazing day. Lock in.